Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Ronel. Okay, so our topic for today is all about the metric and English systems conversion. Okay, so but before that, let us have a short intro. Okay, so let us convert metric and English system unit of measurement. Okay pa? So let's start po with number 1. A rope is 5 meters long. How long is it in centimeters? A. 50 centimeters. B. 500 centimeters. C. 5,000 centimeters. Or D. 5 centimeters. Okay. So using this metric system conversion, the metric converter for short, we can easily answer this type of question. So we just know what is the given unit and what is our target unit. So our given unit is from meter to centimeter. Okay, so we're just going to count how many units na po from meter to centimeter. So that is 1 and 2. Okay po? So after that, we're just going to write our given number, which is 5. Since we don't have decimal point here, so our point of reference is at the right side of this 5. Okay po? So since we move 2 units to the right, so we're going to move also to decimal places to the right. So that is 1 and 2. Okay, so in this case po, we just simply add zeros to all the spaces. Yan, then just simply copy the target unit. So that is 500 centimeter. It's letter B. Next, number 2. A container holds 2.5 liters of water. How many milliliters of water does it contain? Is it A, 250 ml? Is it B, 25 ml? C, 2,500 ml? Or D, 25,000 ml? Okay, so once again, our given unit is from liter. So our target unit, which is milliliters. Yan. So let us just count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then let us rewrite our given number, which is 2.5. So take note that is 3 units to the right. Okay po? So this time we have your decimal point. So we're going to start at the decimal point. Again, 3 decimal places going to the right. Okay po? So that is 1, 2, and 3. Still we have spaces here, so we just simply write zeros, then copy our target unit, which is milliliters. So that is 2,500 ml. Next, let us have number 3. A car traveled 3.2 kilometers. So how far did it travel in meters? Once again, our given unit is kilometers. So from here to our target unit, which is meter. Okay, so let us just count from kilometer to meter. So that is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that is 3 units going to the right. So let us just simply copy the given number. And so our point of reference or starting point is from the decimal point. Again, that is 3 decimal places going to the right. Okay, so let us move this decimal. 1, 2, and 3. So that is 3,200 meters. So that is letter B. Next, let us have number 4. Yeah, so a medicine bottle contains 1,500 milliliters of liquid. How many liters is this? Okay, so our given unit is from milliliters. Our target unit is 2 liters. So let us count po. 1, 2, and 3. So this time po, that is 3 units going to the left. Okay, so let us write our given number. Yan. So once again, if you don't have decimal points, so we're going to start at the rightmost digit. Okay po? So again, that is 3 units to the left. So we're going to move 3 decimal places to the left. 1, 2, 3. And that is equal to 1.5. Then copy the target unit, which is liter. Okay po? So 1.5 is also the same as 1.500 liters. Okay? So from our choices, we have here 1.5 liters. So that is letter A. Next, number 5. A pencil is 12.5 centimeters long. How long is it in millimeters rather? Okay, so again, our given unit is from centimeter. Our target unit is millimeter. Okay, so that is just 1 unit going to the right. Okay, so let us copy our given number. So this is 12.5, and that is simply 1. Okay, so that is 125 millimeters. So that is letter B. Next, number 6. A watermelon weighs 2.8 kilograms. How much does it weigh in grams? So in short, that is from kilograms to grams. Okay, so let us count again. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that is 3 units going to the right. Okay, so let us write our given number. So that it 1, 2, and 3. So all the spaces add zeros. Okay, then write our target unit, which is grams. So that is 2,800 grams. Letter C. Next, number 7. A swimming pool is 25 meters long. How long is it in kilometers? Okay, so that is from meter to kilometer. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3. So that is 3 units going to the left. Diba? So let us write 25 here. So as you can see, we don't have decimal. So let us start here. No? Yan. So once again, that is 3 decimal points going to the left. Diba? So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we add 0 here. So that is 0.025 kilometer. Okay, so that is letter B. Next, number 8. A box is 0.75 meters tall. How tall is it in centimeters? So from meter to centimeter. Okay, so that is 1 and 2. Okay, so that is 2 units going to the right. Okay, so let us rewrite our given number. Yan. So that is 1 and 2. Okay, so in this case po, let us remove 0 here. Yan, and that will give you now 75 centimeters. Okay, that is letter B. Next, number 9. A water bottle has a capacity of 0.6 liters. How many milliliters does it hold? Okay, so that is from liters to our target is milliliters. So that is 3. 1, 2, 3 units going to the right. Okay, So again, our given number is 0.6. So 3 units going to the right. In short, we move our decimal point 3 units or 3 places going to the right also. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then add zeros here. And don't forget po to erase the 0 there. Okay, so that is 600 milliliters. That is letter C. Next, number 10. A long racetrack is 500,000 milliliters long. So how many hectometers is the racetrack? So this is from millimeters. So this is millimeters to hectometers. Okay, to here. So let us count po how many units from millimeters to hectometers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 units going to the left. Okay po? So let us write our given number. Okay, so let's start here. So that is 5 decimal places going to the left. No? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it seems that this is equal to 5. Our target is hectometer. Okay, so that is letter C.